Epilogue, a flickering light. Weeks turned into months. Anya, her initial fear replaced by a steely resolve, became a ghost in the shadow realm. Utilizing her invisibility and newfound control over illusions, she learned more about the enemy's plans. The Scepter of Shadows, a dark artifact fueled by stolen light, was their ultimate weapon. Their target, the Everlight Tree, the heart of Eldarion's magic, and the source of light in their world. Anya discovered a secret passage, a forgotten gateway that could potentially lead back to her world. The catch? It required a monumental amount of magical energy to activate, far exceeding anything she could manage alone. One night, under the watchful gaze of a blood-red moon, Anya stumbled upon a hidden resistance movement. A small band of creatures, ostracized for their dwindling darkness, harbored a spark of rebellion against their oppressive rulers. Anya, desperate for any advantage, revealed her true form and shared her story. Initially met with suspicion, Anya's sincerity and determination touched their hearts. They saw in her a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of light. Together, they devised a daring plan. Anya would distract the guards while the resistance activated the gateway. It was a risky gamble, but the only hope they had. The night of the full moon arrived, a night bathed in an ominous crimson glow. Anya, disguised as one of the enemy's soldiers, infiltrated their ranks, sowing chaos and confusion. The resistance poured their remaining light into the gateway, its ancient mechanisms groaning under the strain. Just as the enemy leader, the shadowy figure Anya knew all too well, was about to unleash the scepter's power on the Everlight Tree, the gateway flickered open. Anya, her heart pounding against her ribs, grabbed the nearest creature of light and dove through the portal. They landed with a crash in Eldarion's chamber. Exhausted but triumphant, Anya watched as Eldarion, weakened but alive, rushed towards them. The gateway, its energy spent, slammed shut. Their victory, however, was bittersweet. The creatures of light, their energy depleted in activating the gateway, faded away, their sacrifice ensuring Anya's escape. But Eldarion, his magic revitalized by Anya's return, vowed to honor their memory. Together, they devised a new plan. Anya, her experience in the Shadow Realm turning her into a seasoned warrior, would stand alongside Eldarion. They would train the remaining guardians, preparing for the inevitable counterattack. The darkness may have been pushed back, but the battle was far from over.